President William Ruto has joined Kenyans in mourning the death of Kasavuli. The news anchor died on Thursday, 20 December 2022 at the age of 60 years. She has been battling cervical cancer. President Ruto described Kasavuli as a cheerful, articulate and intelligent news anchor who took to television with unprecedented flair. He hailed her news presentation as having a distinctive crisp, fluent and articulate elocution. The president noted how she was admired, and how many journalists have grown to emulate her. President William Ruto asked Kenyans to celebrate Kasavuli as a talented pioneer who excelled in her profession. He also prayed to God to comfort her family.